Today I'm going to show you all the amazing features that DistroKid has. I'm going to show you how you leverage DistroKid to get you more fans and to upload properly. You need to watch this video because you may be thinking about purchasing DistroKid, or you either have DistroKid now. Bam, what is up everybody? My name is Jordan Baywood and I'm a music producer and audio engineer. And by the way, if you're interested in checking out DistroKid, use my link down below to save 7% off. And if you have any questions at all throughout this video, be sure to comment them down below. So let's get started. Right when I log into DistroKid, we can see that all these stores are checked. I want them all to be checked. I want my music to go on every single platform. Number of songs, I'm gonna do a single, previous release, no, artist name, I'm gonna type in Jordan Baywood, and then it'll see already an artist and Apple Music. You're all set. If you're not, what you're gonna do is set up an artist account through Apple Music and Spotify. Super easy. And all you do is go to the settings and then it'll say set up an account. Release dates, I like to do it 2 weeks in advance because I like doing a hyper follow link. It will get people to pre-save the songs, and then for your future songs will be put into everybody's playlist. I love this feature. What I like to do, it's November 9th right now. I'm gonna release this song, let's say November 26th. A few weeks from now. Release time, I just do 12 a.m. and then time sync, I just do the default way. Pre-order, yes, I would like to have people pre-order it 1 week before that, so let's do the 19th, and then I'll start marketing that, hey, pre-order the song, it's only in a week out. My record label is Baywood Media. You can just make up a name, whatever you would want your record label to be. And remember, you can only do that feature with the Musicians Plus account. So if you don't have that feature, I highly suggest upgrading your account for like 10 extra bucks. Definitely upgrade using my link so you'll save some money on that. So next we're gonna upload the album cover. I do as a JPEG, 3000 by 3000. There it is. Primary language, English. Primary genre, this is gonna be electronic subgenre, we're gonna do electronica down tempo. Secondary genre, we're gonna do dance because it makes people dance. The song title is Circles, and then I'm gonna choose my file. You want to make sure that you're doing a WAV file. It's the highest quality. And the songwriter's real names. For you would actually put your real name. You wouldn't put your artist name, but that's simply just because of publishing and royalties down the line. So explicit lyrics, nope. Is this a radio edit? Yes. Then if you get cussing, make sure that you tell them that this is an explicit version of the song, because then they'll put 18 plus for little kids so they know. This song contains lyrics. It's an instrumental and contains no lyrics. Track price, I like to do $129. You know, some people are out there that really want to buy your songs. I always just do it the most expensive. Why not? And then extras, optional but awesome. The ones that I loved doing is obviously the Instagram and Facebook, because then you can play your music on Instagram stories and Facebook stories. And what I always check is Shazam and iPhone Siri for $1 a year, because when someone hears it, let's say at a coffee shop, they can be like, hey, what is this song? And then it'll tell them, it'll save to their playlist or to their favorite song. It's happened dozens of times. I have had many people actually DM me saying, hey, I just found you from my friend's phone and I Shazammed you. I thought that was the coolest thing. So once I heard that, of course I'm gonna pay $1 a year for that. I don't do these other two. The Leave a Legacy is they will never delete a song due to you not paying. It will always stay up no matter what. So it could be something good if you worry about things like that, but I don't worry. I'll always pay the DistroKid fee. Store Maximizer will be DistroKid will automatically deliver this song to new stores as they add them. If you don't want to have the problem of uploading to new stores when DistroKid gets them, just, you know, pay $8 a year for that. I'm not doing that because I don't mind doing it and learning about the new stores. Make sure you check all these. I selected YouTube Music. I recorded this music. I'm authorized to sell it. I'm not using any others' names, and I have read and agreed to the terms of DistroKid distribution agreement. You just press done. We got to put the songwriter's name. Oops, my bad. So I'm gonna put my first and last name, Jordan Rodriguez. If you didn't know, now you know. So what it's gonna do is gonna upload. It's gonna just make sure that everything is smooth sailing. Done. Copying. So you're gonna copy this link and we're gonna put it into our Instagram section. I love that they do this. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. A hyperfollow. Hyperfollow is the best feature in DistroKid. What they're gonna do is pre-save this song, and your song is always gonna show up in their playlist. and the release radar whenever you release in the future. It's an amazing thing to do. So definitely put that in your Instagram bio, your Twitter bio when you have a song releasing, and try to get people to click on that link and pre-save to get excited. You have to figure out a way to get them excited about it. Another thing that you can do using DistroKid is go to settings, and then you can do a Marcel generator. It makes a really cool video for your song. Go check that out. I'm not going to play it right now. I don't want to get copyrighted. You can always go to Spotify for artists from here. You can do Apple Music for artists. You can reach a lot of stuff from here. You can refer people. You can do the hyper follow links right here. I'll show you mine. Look at over time, people will keep pre-saving it, and you'll get more people on that. If you go to my music, I can do like, hey, let's say for late night, and what I can do is edit the team right here, and then I can do revenue split. So I can do, let's say for Cartridge, my friend Cartridge, let's say I want to give him 10%, I'm going to do review changes, and it's that simple. So now it'll automatically go to his account. Whenever it makes money, he'll get this 10%. I don't gotta do nothing about it. It's that simple to do revenue shares with that. So there's so many things that you can do through this. Just really check it out and dive deep. But I'm telling you, DistroKid's here to really help us small artists grow and become successful, because they put it all at our hands very easily. You can go to your bank, you can upgrade your DistroKid. Like I said, this is the one I use because I like that I can do a pre-order date, I can do a customizable release date, I can do customizable iTunes. I just think that's super cool. If you guys learned something and gained some value, give this video a thumbs up. If you did not gain any value at all, give it a thumbs down. It still helps the channel. If you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. I really appreciate my current subscribers that are watching this. Just want to say shout out to you guys. Comment below your thoughts of this video, and make sure if you want to do upgrade or you want to get DistroKid, click my link down below. It'll give you 7% off and you'll save some money, and I cannot wait to work with you guys. I will see you guys next video. Let's get it.